Make some noise for Chubby. One more night at the stoplight. One more night at the stoplight. The pan of cardboard cut to my height. And that is some me a bill back for the night. One more night at the stoplight. One more night at the stoplight. The pan of cardboard cut to my height. And that is some me a bill back for the night. Up on the street, nothing to eat. I'm mad, me no have nowhere to sleep. Remember when me did live in a house before. We couldn't pay the rent, the landlord dashed me through the door. What me a go do? Mosquito bite me up, now my skin full of sore. When me a go get money, fit by the cure. Jano, one more night at the stoplight. One more night at the stoplight. Rip on the cardboard, cut to my height. And that's some me a bill back for the night. One more night at the stoplight. One more night at the stoplight. The pan of cardboard cut to my height. And that's some me a bill back for the night. In the dark, little tip of light. But suffer from the cold and mosquito bite. In my belly, the worm never fight. But me calm them down while me hold a little fight. You know so when I open up my eyes, in the same dirty clothes when we wear last night. And then the dub you me a right. While the bugs them chop off from me fan butterfly. One more night at the stoplight. One more night at the stoplight. The pan of cardboard cut for my height. And that's some me a bill back for the night. In the dark, no little tip of light. I suffer from the cold and mosquito bite. In my belly, the worm them a fight. But me calm them down while me hold a little fight. You know so when me open up my eyes, in the same dirty clothes when me wear last night. Under the lights, they W me a right. When the bugs them drop off from me fan butterfly. Hey, one more night at the stoplight. One more night at the stoplight. The pan of cardboard cut for my height. And that's some me a bill back for the night. One more night at the stoplight. One more night at the stoplight. The pan of cardboard cut for my height. And that's some me a bill back for the night. Wanna say about Chubby Shante? One more night at the stoplight. Mosquito bite. What the judges them say about Chubby Shante? One more night at the stoplight. One more night at the stoplight. I think you choose a good topic to talk on tonight. See what is going on around Clifton. It's a good selection. I like your lyrics, I like the content, I like your delivery, your facial expression tells it all. And for me, it's an 8.
I agree as well, Chubby. You gave me goosebumps. Everything was there. Expression, feeling, interact with the audience. I love it. So even though I love it, it's an 8 for me. I wish you had more content because it really, gave me that feeling of we need to help somebody with homeless. But give me some more content. I love it. Thank you. 8 for me.
Yes, tonight seems like it's a 9 night for me, because it's a big 9 I get Chubby. One more night at the stoplight. It sounds like a hit. It sounds like we need for go studio. You know? Yeah, I love it. As usual, you know, engage with everybody and you entertain all of them. I love the hairstyle.
Yeah, every week it's shot and shot more. Big up yourself, Chubby.
Then oh, Chubby a shot, so we not see no money a drop on the stage.
Bing!
Ping!
Yo, Chubby, trust me, you see last week, me hear you go on with the thing I may tell you. I love it. But you see this week, bing! What me say? Bing! Keep it up. I love the performance and the expression of your face. You see, the performance, awesome. Keep it up.